project demonstrates the core principles of the human muscle and skeletal system and biomechanics, showing exactly how tendons attach to bones to create movement. In this video, you'll see muscles in action. Watch how tendons pull on finger bones to make your hand grip, flex, and point. Explore biomechanics. Learn the physics of levers, joints, and force transmission that power every bend and stretch. Discover how those same tendon-driven mechanics are replicated with servos and linkages in robotic hands. It's pretty amazing to see the parallels between biology and robotics, isn't it? Gain insight into how engineers turn these principles into life-changing prosthetic limbs for people with disabilities. It's incredible to think about how technology can make such a huge difference in someone's life. By the end, you'll have built a working skeletal hand model and come away with a clear hands-on understanding of how our bodies move and how robotics harness those very same ideas.